Good morning, beautiful soul. Take a moment to find a comfortable seat or lie back in bed for just a few more minutes. Close your eyes and let your hands rest softly on your belly or heart. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Feel your body waking up, your mind coming into the light of this new day. Notice the rhythm of your breath, the rise and fall. Feel the ground or bed supporting you. You are safe and you are here. And now, bring to mind one thing you feel thankful for this morning. It could be the warmth of your bed, a loved one, your health, the sunshine, and let yourself feel that gratitude expand in your chest like a soft light. Gently bring to mind a few more things you are grateful for. They can be big or small, like a good cup of coffee, your pet's love, a recent success, or simply the chance to try again today. With each one, breathe in. Thank you. And breathe out. I am grateful. And notice your body feels as you rest in this feeling. Let gratitude soften your heart. Relax your shoulders and bring a slight smile on your face. Take one more deep breath in, and as you breathe out, set the intention to carry this feeling with you today. To notice the blessings, the beauty, the moments that makes you smile. And when you're ready, come back into awareness. Move your fingers, your toes, open your eyes slowly, and carry this grateful energy into your morning. Have a beautiful day.